Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the new lecture of ADP Semester 1. चैप्टर नंबर 8 से हमने स्टार्ट करना है. द नाउन. जैसे कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं ये तमाम चीज़ें, अब इनकी एडवांस फॉर्म्स आपके सामने आ रही हैं. नाउन केस. एग्जामिन दीज सेंटेंसेस. जॉन थ्रू अ स्टोन. जॉन ने एक पत्थर फेंका. द हॉर्स किक्ड द बॉय. घोड़े ने लड़के को लात मारी. इन सेंटेंस 1, द नाउन जॉन इज द सब्जेक्ट. इट इज द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन हु थ्रू द स्टोन? जॉन. The group of words threw a stone in the predicate. The predicate contains the verb threw. यानी कि जो predicate है वो verb है और group of word threw a stone ये भी predicate है. यानी कि subject ने जो काम किया वो था काम, जो काम किया वो था प्रेडिकेट. अब जैसे व्हाट डिड जॉन थ्रो? अ स्टोन. स्टोन इज द ऑब्जेक्ट विच जॉन थ्रू. द नाउन स्टोन इज देयरफॉर कॉल्ड द ऑब्जेक्ट. आसान सी बात है, आपको समझ आ गई होगी. अब दूसरे सेंटेंस में द नाउन हॉर्स इज द सब्जेक्ट. It is the answer to the question who kicked the boy. The noun boy is object. It is answer to the question whom did the horse kick? The boy. जवाब इसका सादा सा है. When a noun या pronoun is used as a subject of a verb, किसी फाइल के तौर पर वर्ब का इस्तेमाल होता हो, इट इज सेड टू बी इन द नॉमिनेटिव केस. इसको हम नॉमिनेटिव केस में लेकर जाते हैं. व्हेन अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड एज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब, इट इज सेड टू बी इन ऑब्जेक्टिव यानी एक्यूजेटिव केस. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, एक्यूजेटिव केस. नोट, टू फाइंड द नॉमिनेटिव, पुट हु और व्हाट before the verb. Find the accusative, put whom or what before the verb and its subject. A noun which comes after a preposition is also said to be in the accusative case. Objective case yani as the book is in the desk. The noun desk is in the accusative case, governed by the preposition in. अब फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस है. हैरी ब्रोक द विंडो. द विंडो वॉज ब्रोकन. अब ऑब्जेक्ट पहले आ गया, वो सब्जेक्ट बन गया. इट विल बी सीन दैट नाउन इन इंग्लिश हैव द सेम फॉर्म ऑफ अ नॉमिनेटिव एंड द एक्यूजेटिव. दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, नॉमिनेटिव के लिए भी और एक्यूजेटिव के लिए भी. नाउन्स. द नॉमिनेटिव जनरली कम्स बिफोर द वर्ब एंड द एक्यूजेटिव आफ्टर द वर्ब, एज दे आर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड बाय द ऑर्डर ऑफ द वर्ड्स. लफ्जों की तरतीब के लिहाज से उनकी फर्क देखा जा सकता है, और बाय द सेंस. कंपेयर. रामा गेव अ बॉल. Rama gave Harry a ball. In each of these sentences, the noun ball is the object of gave. In the second sentence, we are told that Harry was the person to whom Rama gave a ball. The noun Harry is called the indirect object of the verb gave. The noun ball, the honorary object, is called the direct object. It will be noticed that the position of the indirect object is immediately after the verb and before the direct object. मैं दोहरा दूं दोबारा कि रामा गेव अ बॉल और रामा गेव हैरी अ बॉल. बॉल जो सा ऑब्जेक्ट है ऑफ गेव का, और दूसरे जुमले में अगर हम देखें हैरी जो सा पर्सन है टू हुम रामा गेव बॉल. हैरी इज कॉल्ड indirect object of the verb gave. The noun ball, the ordinary object, is called the direct object. It will be noticed that the position of the indirect object is immediately after the verb and before the direct object. अब जैसे हम देखते हैं Rama gave Harry a ball. Rama gave a ball to Harry. Will you do me a favor? Will you do a favor to me? I bought Rama a ball. I bought a ball for Rama. Fetch the boy a book. Fetch a book for the boy. She made Ruth a new dress. She made new dress for Ruth. Get me a taxi. Get a taxi for me. We see that indirect object of a verb denotes the person to whom something is given or for whom something is done. अब मज़ीद जुमले देखें. This is Rama's umbrella. Rama's umbrella. Umbrella belonging to Rama. The form of the noun Rama is changed to Rama's to show ownership of possession. मलकियत को जाहिर करता है. The noun Rama is therefore said to be possessive या genitive भी कहते हैं possessive को केस. याद रखिएगा possessive या genitive केस जो मलकियत को जाहिर करते हैं. Possessive answers the question. Possessive हमेशा जवाब देते हैं. Whose umbrella? Rama's. The possessive case does not always denote possession. जरूरी नहीं कि हमेशा possession को जाहिर करे. It is used to denote authorship, मलकियत, author हूँ किसी चीज का, origin को भी जाहिर करते हैं, kind को भी. As Shakespeare's plays, the plays written by Shakespeare. A mother's love, the love felt by a mother. The president's speech, the speech delivered by the president. Mr. Agarwal's house, the house where Mr. Agarwal lives. Ashok's school, the school where Ashok goes. A children's playground, a playground for children. A week's holiday, a holiday which lasts a week. तो possessive case possession को ही नहीं जाहिर करते. ये authorship, शेक्सपियर authorship है. Origin जो उनसे है वो जो इब्तदा कहाँ से की गई और काइंड किस्म वगैरह भी जाहिर करता है. पोजेसिव केस बनता कैसे है? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पोजेसिव केस. व्हेन द नाउन इज सिंगुलर, द पोजेसिव केस इज फॉर्म बाय एडिंग एस टू द नाउन एज बॉयज बुक्स, द किंग्स क्राउन. मलकियत को जाहिर करने के लिए. द लेटर is omitted in a few words where too many hissing words would come together as for conscience sake, for goodness sake, for justice sake, for Jesus sake, Moses sake. यहाँ पर चूंकि दो दफा ऐसा आता है hissing sound पैदा होती है. conscience sake तो नहीं लिखा है, goodness sake, justice sake. तो इसको एक ऐसे लिख के लेटर एस ओमिट कर दिया जाता है और उसके ऊपर कॉमा डाल दिया जाता है. When the noun is plural and ends in s, the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe, as boys school, girls school, horses tails. यहाँ पर noun plural है तो end in s, adding only an apostrophe, the boys apostrophe comma जो है ऊपर. When the noun is plural but does not end in s, possessive sign is formed by adding s, men's club, children's books, वगैरह. When a noun or a little or a title consists of several words, the possessive give sieve sign is attached only to the last word, as King of Bhutan's visit, the Prime Minister of Mauritius speech. prime minister's of Mauritius speech, nahi, Mauritius' speech. When two nouns are in apposition, the possessive sign is put to the letter only, as that is Tagore, that the poet's house. Also, when two nouns are closely connected, the possessive is put to the later, दूसरे के पास आता है. As Kareem and Salim's bakery, William and Mary's rain. Each of two or more connected nouns implying separate possession must take the possessive sign, as Raja Rao's and R.K. Narayan's novel, Goldsmith's and Cowper's poems. दो connected nouns हो, separate possession हो उनकी, तो possessive sign इस्तेमाल होता है, हर एक के साथ अलग-अलग. Possessive case. Possessive case is now used chiefly with the names of living things, as the governor's bodyguard, the lion's mane. So we must say the leg of the table, not the table's leg. The cover of the book, not the book's cover. The roof of the house, not the house roof. But the possessive is used with the names of personified when an inanimate things has ascribed the attribute of a person, it is said to be personified. Personification कहते हैं जब human ideas को non-human के साथ compare किया जाता है. Identified object, as India's heroes, nature's law, fortune's favorite, at Delhi's call, at death's door, at duty's call. The possessive is also used with noun denoting time, space or weight, as a day's march, a week's holiday, in a year's time, a stone's throw, a foot's length, a pound's weight. The following phrases are also in common use. At his fingers' ends, ये idiom है, phrase है, for mercy's sake, to his heart's content, at his wits end होता है बदहवास होना, a boat's crew, fingers end जो शुरू में पढ़ा, फरफरियाद करना. The possessive of a proper name of a noun denotes a trade, confessing or relationship may be used to denote building or place of business, a church, house, college, shop, hospital, theater, etc. तो possessive जो प्रॉपर नेम होता है और नाउन जो किसी प्रोफेशन को, किसी तिजारत को जाहिर करे, वो बिल्डिंग और प्लेस ऑफ बिजनेस को जाहिर कर सकता है, उसकी रिलेशनशिप होती है उसके साथ. जैसे she has gone to baker's shop है. Tonight I am dining at my uncle's house बना, यानी कि मतलब ये हुआ उसका. Can you tell me the way to St. Paul Church? I attend the town high school, but my cousin attends St. Xavier's. He was educated at St. Joseph's. यहाँ एस का इस्तेमाल जो उनसे था वो हम आपको बता रहे थे, कॉमा apostrophe एस के साथ. अच्छा, when you are in doubt whether to use a noun in possessive case or with preposition of, or remember that as a general rule the possessive case is used to denote possession or ownership. Thus it is better to say the defeat of the enemy than enemy's defeat, even though no doubt as to meaning would arise. Sometimes, however, a noun in the possessive case has a different meaning from a noun used with the preposition of, as Prime Minister's reception in Delhi means a reception held by the Prime Minister in Delhi. The reception of Prime Minister in Delhi means the manner in which the people welcomed him when he entered Delhi. The phrase the love of a father may mean either a father love of his child or child love of his father. अब noun in apposition. अब sentence हम पढ़ते हैं. When one noun follows another to describe it, the noun which follows is said to be in apposition to the noun which comes before it. Apposition means placing near, करीब उसके डालना. Noun in apposition. Noun in apposition का मतलब बता चुके हैं, करीब किसी चीज को प्लेस करना. Noun apposition is in the same case as the noun which it explains. In the above sentence, the noun captain is in apposition of the noun Rama. And the nominative case, because Rama is in the nominative case. Further example, Kabir, comma, the great reformer, comma, was a weaver. Yesterday I met your uncle, the doctor. Have you seen Ganguly, the artist, drawing? जैसे हम कहते हैं खालिद एक अच्छा लड़का है, वो ज़हीन, फतीन और बहुत मेहनती है, तो एक ही आदमी के लिए मुख्तलिफ क्वालिटीज है। खालिद लड़का ज़हीन, फतीन और काबिल है, तो उसमें इस वगैरह निकाल दिए जाते हैं। जैसे कराची इज़ अ बिग सिटी, इट इज़ पॉपुलेटेड, ओवर क्राउडेड एंड मॉडर्न। कराची कॉमा अ मॉडर्न सिटी इज पॉपुलेटेड, ओवर क्राउडेड एंड जो भी। सेंटेंस 1 जो कबीर द ग्रेट रिफॉर्मर नाउन इन एपोजिशन इज इन द नॉमिनेटिव केस। सेंटेंस 2 में नाउन इन एपोजिशन इन द एक्यूजेटिव केस। वाई? नाउन एपोजिशन जिनेटिव केस, पोजेसिव केस। वाई? अब हम एडजेक्टिव की तरफ आ जाते हैं। फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस पढ़ें। सीता इज द क्लेवर गर्ल। गर्ल ऑफ व्हाट काइंड? किस किस्म की लड़की थी? क्लेवर। आई डोंट लाइक द बॉय, मुझे लड़के पसंद नहीं। कौन से? लास्ट वन, दैट बॉय। ही गेव मी 5 मैंगोज। कितने? हाउ मेनी? 5। दिस इज लिटिल टाइम फॉर प्रिपरेशन। कितना टाइम था? लिटिल टाइम। In sentence 1, clever shows what kind of a girl Sita is, or in other words, clever describe the girl Sita. In sentence 2, that points out which boy is meant. Sentence 3, 5 shows how many mangoes have he gave me. In sentence 4, little shows how much time there is for preparation. A word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing with the noun names or to tell number or quantity is called an adjective. So we may define an adjective as a word used with a noun to add something for its meaning. Adjective means added to. Look at the following sentence. The lazy boy was punished. The boy is lazy. In sentence 1, adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy as an epithet or attribute. उसकी quality है. It is therefore said to be used attributively. Sentence 2, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb is and form part of a predicate. It is therefore said to be used predictively. Some adjectives can be used only predictively as अंदाज़न इस्तेमाल करते हैं. She is afraid of ghosts. I am quite well. A work from S. Charm and Company Limited. ये उन्होंने ये लिख के दिया है, तो ये सेंटेंस का हिस्सा नहीं है, वैसे उनका. Kinds of adjectives हम सब पढ़ते हैं बचपन से. Adjectives may be divided to the following classes. Adjective of quality, a descriptive adjective show the kind, quality of a person or thing. Calcutta is a large city. He is an honest man. Foolish old crew try to sing. This is grammar of the English. Adjective form from proper noun. French wine, Turkish tobacco, Indian tea are sometimes called proper adjective. Adjective of quality, a descriptive or proper. They are generally classed with adjective or quality language. Adjective of quality answer the question. Quality answer करता है what kind, किस किस्म की. Quality show how much of a thing is meant by. I ate some rice, much patience, little intelligence, enough exercise, all is wealth, no sense, eat any rice, not eat any rice, care of your health, share of your booty, sufficient rain this year, expanded. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of number show how many person things are meant or in what order or person thing is stand. The hand has 5 fingers. Few cats like cold. Few cats. No pictures. Many things. All men. Some ripe. Most boys. There are several. Sunday the first day. Adjective of number, numeral adjective, or 3 kinds. Definite numeral, which denotes an exact number as 2, 3, 4. They are called cardinals. First, second, third, these are called ordinals. 1, 2, 3 cardinals हो गए. First, second, third, ordinals हो गए. Cardinal denotes how many, and ordinal the order of thing in series. It will be seen that ordinals really do the work of demonstrative adjectives. Ordinal यानी first, second demonstrative objective है. Infinitive numeral adjective which do not denote an exact number as all, so, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, sundry. Distributive nominal adjective which refer to each one of the number as each boy must take his turn. India expects every man do his duty. One of number. हम 73 पे आ जाए. The same adjective may be closed as quantity or number according to its use. Adjective of quantity. I ate some rice. Some boys are clever. All is wealth. All men must die. 74 में demonstrative adjective point out person or thing is meant. The boy is stronger than. The boy is industrious. और जिस आदमी की क्वालिटी हो बता रहा हूँ. 75 पे आ जाए. What, which and whose when they are used with noun talks questions are called interrogative adjective as what manner of a man he is, which way shall we go, whose book is this. It will be seen that what is used in general sense, what use होता है इनकी general sense में, which is selective clause. ये एक्सरसाइज है एडजेक्टिव की, ये आप लोगों ने घर से करके और जो भी थर्सडे ये नेक्स्ट छुट्टियों के बाद जो थर्सडे आएगा वो आपने इसमें सबमिट करवानी है. ये एक्सरसाइज है सारी आपने अभी आपने सबमिट करवानी है. ठीक है जी, यहाँ तक हमारा ये लेक्चर खत्म हुआ. विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ये एक्सरसाइज आपने एक सेपरेट पेज पे करनी है और असाइनमेंट के तौर पे सबमिट करवानी है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सी यू नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अल्लाह हाफिज़ एंड गुड लक.